DIRECTV is a paid service provider via satellite. The most important thing that I stressed to Infosys was that we're a fast-moving company. My analogy was that we're like a race car on a racetrack, and we have a lot of people doing a lot of work and a lot of cars going around. And Infosys has got to get on those cars and provide us service and capability without seeing a crash, without us losing any momentum.
At DIRECTV, the business is very fast-paced, and IT is a key driver of that business. In order to be able to flex capacity, we needed to bring in a solutions provider that could really expand and contract with our needs.
We have a large variety of technologies here at DIRECTV, from our Fusion implementation and middleware, CRM, some of our smaller platforms as well. So technical expertise is one. The second one, when we wanted to make sure that this relationship, that we approached it differently, that we weren't looking just for a vendor, we really were looking for a partner, a trusted partner that we could grow with, somebody that we could have, good discussions about, technologies and best practices. And the last thing that we wanted to make sure we got was thought leadership, as well as that they brought to the table their own best practices and expertise, not just in technologies, but in processes.
We were looking to move away from staff augmentation to outcomes-based model to improve results and reduce cost. So we wanted to work with a partner that has the depth and breadth of capabilities to deliver the capacity flexibility. We wanted a partner that can bring in innovation to help us be more competitive and efficient. So we've been very impressed with the commitment from the Infosys leadership team. Infosys has done a great job in delivering quality releases on time within budget. Infosys established a very effective multi-tier governance structure for us at the application layer, at the operational layer, and the executive layer. And they report and track metrics that not only give us a view of how we are performing, but also a view of how things are going. So what I liked about the Infosys approach was their willingness to invest and create a joint innovation fund. So Infosys' ability in bringing professionals and a team in the area of IT strategy, domain consulting, application development and maintenance convinced us that they were the right partner of choice for us.
I was also looking at a partner who understood our DNA of the organization, understood the business priorities, as well as bring new ideas to the idea pool. Our approach to innovation was based on the simple principle: fail fast, fail quickly, fail cheaply and often, and learn from it. We were in the very early stages of our innovation program, and Infosys brought in their playbook that they executed elsewhere and helped provide a structure to our innovation program. The process we established for our joint innovation bank helps set a common goal for both our organization and execute on the business ideas quickly and efficiently. It was a win-win situation for both our organization, as we were able to tackle fresh ideas like the next generation website concepts, real-time expertise manager, as well as Apple and Android-based installation passes for our customers and installers. These innovation projects help test these concepts in our customer experience learning lab in San Diego prior to a national rollout that will affect all our customers.
In DIRECTV, we have one of the world's largest SQL implementations. The majority of my team consists of a large number of Infosys personnel. They have done a phenomenal job of developing and maintaining the system for us.
We've had this relationship for about 2 years. So in those 2 years, we've seen a reduction in defects, we've seen an improvement in quality, we've seen an improvement in time to market that's been tremendous for our business partners. The value I've seen is definitely a time to market, a way for us to look at innovative ideas that we can bring back to the business to provide excellent capabilities.
We were able to sustain our 0 critical incidents after a release, and we also have 0 downtimes in 2012. So aside from the ramp up, the quality sustained. The two teams collaborate very well. There's a healthy debate when it's needed. We have lunch and learns together. We challenge each other. We try to learn from each other. We have volunteer events that we sponsor together jointly. With Infosys being our partner, As new challenges came and more work came in specific areas, we were able to staff up and meet the needs. That was the biggest value that they brought to the table, that ability to flex up and down. We had this massive ramp up that we did, and at the same time we were able to sustain our high quality demand. So that was actually a great experience.
I have to say that this transition was the best that I've seen. The defect density has continued to go down and is actually half of what we see with other partners. So the quality all the way into test has been exceptional. When we started this relationship and started the transition, we decided to put together joint vision and joint goals for the organizations. And that's been instrumental in guiding us along the way. We look at those during governance meetings and really focus to make sure that we're all delivering on the intentions that we had initially when we rolled this out. Our IT delivery team here at DIRECTV has a motto that we want to be boringly predictable. And that sounds kind of crazy. The only excitement we want is that the business gets new functionality that helps them meet their business goals. The boring part is we want high quality so that we don't have excitement there, that we want no outages, that we don't want surprises in the project delivery. We want all of that to be boring. The nice thing is even the transition that we did with Infosys was boringly predictable.
All in all, Infosys has been a great partner to work with, and we are extremely pleased with the results with Infosys.